Hello, dear viewer. Welcome. Today, I want us to do RCC concrete, reinforced concrete design of a project. So, actually, I'm going to model, analyze, and design the project. So, let's start. So, I'm going to go to look for my architectural plan. So actually, I want us to model a project which is a bit complicated because you have to know how to model if a structure is a bit complicated or big. So let me start. So I'm going to pick. I want architecture, right? So let me expand this. Architecture. Okay, I want to pick this architecture blank. So I'll pick this. So, if you watch my previous video, we have agreed we're going to be use Achicad and not Autocad. So, it's easier to use Achicad. So, let me export this current view. Right click, export current view. Okay. So, Autocad has many issues, so I advise my viewers to use Achicad. In fact, if you're familiar with AutoCAD, you realize that even importing PDF is quite long, unnecessarily long. So, unlike in Archicad where you just simply drag the PDF and then export it. So, Archicad is very easy to use. And actually, if you start using Archicad to do your structural design, you never go back to AutoCAD. So I promise you, take your time to learn Achicad and don't be stubborn. You have to be flexible. So even me, I've learned this from my other colleagues who are more senior. So, and I came to agree that Achicad is better than AutoCAD because you don't do your work is fast, okay? So I will just okay, and then I will delete that one. So you can see this is the architecture plan. Actually, it's a G+4 building. Actually, this is G+4. So we are going. This is the ground floor, our ground floor plan, and this is the first, second, third, and fourth floor. Scale 1:100. So we are going to model using our first floor, right? So I'm going to first of all make sure that let me first and check. Since this is suspend groups, make sure you check this suspend groups. So I think I can, if this video is going to be too long, I can divide it into episodes so that we can do modeling in this episode and we can do loading, assigning loads in the next episode, and in the last episode we're going to do actual design in maybe RCDC. So we can start by modeling maybe if it is going to be too long, so I will subdivide the video into parts. So I hope it will not be that long. I hope so. So because you can see, this is not just a simple structure, it's a bit complicated, it's a bit complex. So, and that's why I'm creating this video. Because even the project will probably have not just be simple, complex with complex shape. So So you can see, so the first thing I need to do is to suspend groups. So I will suspend group. Make sure you check this here. You can see that suspend groups. So I'm going to hit escape. So the first thing you do, you have to scale. The first thing you do when you get a drawing, you need to scale it. Okay. So we're going to scale this drawing. We're going to scale this drawing. So yes, I'm just hitting escape because there's some command running and not so just take you a few like 1 week to learn Archicad, and then when you start drawing or designing using Archicad, you will never go back to Autocad. And for me, I love saying the truth regardless. So if another issue with me, you can come and tell me. I can argue why I think Achicad is the best, is better, and why I actually shifted from Autocad to Achicad. So we are going to scale this drawing. So to scale this drawing, we can just use the grid. So I'm going to copy this first floor down. So I can just change here. Make sure I check this, which basically means fully enclosed. So we just copy what is fully enclosed. So I'll copy all of this. Then move by dragging right click. Maybe I should have right click inside. Move by dragging. I'll drag a copy. So there are some parts which are actually cut out, and actually even this part is cut out. So parts which are cut out, let me just activate my line tool. So this part is cut out, the entire of this. So because I did this project like this. So my architect part is cut out. This part is cut out. Then this part is cut out also. And I think this part is also cut out. This part is cut out. And this part is cut out. Then just double click. This one here, we can add just use wall. There's a wall here. And maybe a beam. So I can change the dimension of my beam. Let me just first change this to that. And my beam is, let's first scale this wall. It's not even to scale. So I'll pick arrow tool, then select everything. Then I come to edit this shape, this size. Okay. So the distance between let's first add 2 grids to be able to scale. So to add a grid, you just need to the grid are lines at the center of the walls. Okay. So make sure you draw your grid at the center of your walls and not your columns. So I'll add my first grid, and when I'm drawing this line, you can see it is snapped in a horizontal direction. And when I have activated my grid element tool, my line will be snapped at the center because this is checked. So if you cannot see the center of this line, just make sure you check this snap guides and point. So if I check it, I will not be able to know where is the center. Where is the midpoint for this line. I cannot even draw a horizontal line because it will not be snapped. So make sure you check this. Snap guides and points. So I already activated my grid element tool. So I'll pick the midpoint for this and then just draw my grid. Now it's already snapped in the vertical direction. So my grid. So I can just maybe change it. Select, then change this one to maybe, let me first delete it. Activate grid line, and then this one maybe I can change it to AB, right? Then this one should be A now. So I will draw my grid line from this line, midpoint. So the midpoint of wall. So the grid lines are found in the center of our wall. So because I already have this line here, I can just go ahead and draw grid line B. Okay, from that point. Okay. So we can just find the distance. So I will activate my dimension tool. You can see this is in documents. You can see documents. So make sure there's design documents. So I will just click here and click there, then right click and then OK. So you can see the dimension is saying 1.519, and if we go to options, project preference, working units, you can see I'm working in millimeters. I'm working in millimeters. However, if I go to dimensions, my dimensions are in pure meters, in plain meters. So I will leave it like that because it will help me. I don't need to be converting the meters to meters because when I'm modeling in Staadpro, it will be in meters. So this one should be, let's say, let me first open Staadpro. Because we are going to model the structure in Staadpro, analyze it and design it. Okay. But if the video is going to be too long, we start dividing it into several episodes. We're going to start by modeling this structure in Staadpro, and we'll go to adding and assigning loads, and then we'll go to designing. So make sure you configure my inside meter. That's the only important thing. So I'll open, I'll go to new, make sure I check metrics. So I've seen residential building G+4. So I say G+4 residential building. So I will open my analytical model. So I will create. So it's already in meters, so that's okay. So my first grid, my first point should be here. Add this grid, so I will add 0, 0. So you can see I'm already a node there. So to find this distance should be, this is the center of this grid, and this wall is 150 meters. So the center is 75. The other side is also 75. So 150 plus 1900 plus 150 plus 950. So let's find that distance. Utilities calculator. So we'll go to 1900 plus 950 plus 150 plus 750 plus 75, right? Plus 75. So it's summing up to 150, right? So it's 3.15 meters, 3,550 millimeters. So to scale this, just select everything. So this one should be 3.15, right? So we should scale. Actually, I can just scale the entire drawing, which I imported. So I activate my arrow tool, and then click there, drag it, select everything. You can just select by Control Alt. Then I come to edit the shape. You can see edit the shape, then resize. So on first, we have selected everything and you have it. First escape it. So this control is select. So actually, where's snap? Yeah, snap. So edit. Edit the shape, size, then okay, and I'll expand these a bit. So from this point, or from this point to this point, from this point, okay, it's behaving will just avoid to select everything. So let me suspend groups. Okay. I think the drawing is too big, that's why it's behaving like that. So just I'll select everything. So I just scale this my passport plan. Let me just select this because edit the shape, the size, okay, at this point. I see that up to this point, which is that's it, 15, 19, but it should be at 150. So hold your shift and let me and at 150 and enter. Okay, 3.15. I think this is this suspended. It's suspended. Maybe I can move it to some point away. So drag it, move by dragging. Then select So we're going to add our grid lines. Now this one is scale. So I'm going to add grid lines to all these lines. So this point, draw a line, and activate my line. Right here, you can just use this one because having both sides is useful. Let's go. Activate the grid line. The actual that line has gone out a bit. So then just double click to put that line a little bit out. That when you see that tick, you know it's a snap the midpoint. So draw this line again. So grid line are the center of my walls, not columns. Okay. These are my grid lines. Then maybe I can just activate my arrow to extend these, which stretch them. Okay. I will draw my other grid lines from this point. So just draw this line. And we can change this one to 1. So everything that is you can change it to 1 to 3. I can change it to 1. Okay. This one is also good. There should be also another grid line here. Um, for views, one, which from my architectural, from architects, yeah, I said that it should be 4,000 on this grid line. So 4,000, sorry, maybe I can offset this by 4,000. So I can maybe drag a copy. So I drag it down this one and 4,000 or 4 meters. Okay, so it will be there. So I will change this label to 7. Okay, so another grid line for this one. So make sure this map is checked. Okay. I create my line tool, I draw this line, then I create my grid line tool, and then draw. I snap the midpoint and then draw that grid. So this one is the grid number, maybe change that, no problem. So activate my line tool. So after that, my role is activated. So I will measure I activate my dimension tool and measure it. Then let's right click. I don't know why this point is coming, but let me see. There's an issue. Let me see. Let me draw another. Let me activate line 2. Next, the grand line point. I think this line is, I think we have drawn the wrong line was, can see this line is here. So I'll delete this one. This one is not supposed to be there. So I'll use this line. center is there. So maybe I can hold shift to snap it. My shift. And I can delete the others. And delete this one and the other. Delete this. So I can delete this. Maybe just delete. Let's do the dimensions. You have to be careful. But you can see working in the same environment with the architect help you to coordinate better. Okay, I will not even have this discrepancy when it comes to my dimensions. So, okay. So I will just maybe put dimensions are small. Maybe inject here. Maybe I will inject the property graphs. So I will add the dimension for this to the other side. Maybe I can dimension only where maybe I can dimension everything, no problem. All my grid lines. So right click and then put. Okay. Now from there we can now model this. So we just model take the node cursor, transition repeat, maybe transition repeat x direction by what is it? 3.15. 3.15. Select also repeat by 3.35 two times. Okay. X 3.35. And then select again. Also repeat 3.15 two times in the x direction. Select this one. 3.35 two times in the x direction. Two times in the x direction. And select again 3.15 one time in the x direction. Those are just physical composition of my columns. Okay. Then I will add the position of this other column. So from this point, maybe say 3.9. At this point, therefore, so 3.9. So I'm going to insert it of all my columns 3.4, 3.9 and then 4. So I will select medical. Okay, position it in the Z direction now. 3.9. Okay, so 3.9. Then let's go on. I'm also going to do right to open 0. No, you cannot work like that. So let's be just one time. Then can just put a repeat 4 plus 3.9 will be 7.9. Right direction 7.9. Then we go for now you can see carefully this wall is not in the same grid with this wall, right? So here you can just repeat this this one column only in that direction by how many? I think 3.03 meters. I think 4.03 meters, right? So 0.03 meters. Just this one. So repeat in the direction 4.03. Okay. So we have to draw the grids for this wall. So remember, make sure your grid lines are at the center of your wall, not your column. So disregard the columns when you are drawing your grid lines, just the center of your wall. So here, just double click. So this one maybe I will change the lower side. I will change to Roman numbers, maybe to small letters. So this kind of this point. Now that one maybe I will change this to B. Select it, change it to B. B. Okay. Now small b. I can just stretch this grid because it's now the same, still the same grid. Just stretch it up to that point. And please subscribe my channel. So remember, this is not wall, because you can see my wall is. So this line should not confuse you. If you have some discrepancy with what the architect has indicated, because maybe for those lines which I don't know, maybe it were not drawn properly. So that's why we had to change the data on the other side. So I'm afraid. So make sure your this line which you are going out to do the midpoint is just touching the wall, the two sides of the wall, and not maybe there are other lines confusing. So it's good to work in the same environment with the architect. So that's why if you use Achicad, you coordinate better with the architect, and you also find that your work is easier and work faster. This is the line. And maybe bring a grid line there. I'm giving you a secret. Ever since I started using Archicad to design and build it, my life has become quite easier. So I sometimes talk it to myself because Autocad is misbehaving, you know. So I wonder if maybe I'm losing, and I cannot just go to complain, but I don't know. So let's do this activate dimension tool there. Then right click and then open. You can see those dimensions. This one maybe is something that we didn't do properly. This one, you can just use it the way it is. Issue. For as long as this one is 3.5, and this ones are on the same line. As long as these are on the same line, so I think I have no issue. This one is 3.15. So this is going all the way to this point. So we have no issue. So can now start repeat this column, this direction. Okay. So Really, on this line does not seem to be at the center. But let me see. The center is there, right? The whole sheet is not. And let me check. Maybe if I do, maybe delete this one. Let me check. No, wait. So we should just wait it. So 3.349. Okay. That direction. 3.349. The side direction negative 1.149. And then okay. Not negative, positive. The side direction 1.149. Okay. This one also repeat x direction 3.19. 3.319. So 3.319. 0.349. I can delete this. This transaction repeat for all this. Two point three. You can 3.15. I just do 3.15 times 2, right? Because yes, I just do 3.15 times 2. So maybe you can do this one, and do 3.3. 3.3. This one should come here, 3.35. So just, but it should completely correct. So I'm trying to make my work easier. 3.35. Okay. 2.3. 2.3. Okay. 3.15 2 times. Okay. 3.15 2 times. Okay. That is 2.3. Then okay. And these ones are not there. This is the my staircase, so I will delete those nodes. So this maybe go back. Do you transfer the bit for all this first? On 3.15 times 2. 3.15 times 1, okay. Then I can delete. You can never have columns there. And we'll transfer repeat this by 2. First of all, I should do transfer repeat for this. So this one is 4.179. Okay. So this stack is going to repeat in Z direction negative 4.179. Negative 4.179. So here is one. And maybe 2.3 years. So 2.3. Actually, I have a column down there. So also do say 2. Now this is 3.15. So I select all places where I have columns. So maybe I can just do this view. So these I have columns, these points, all of these points, and that point. But if you can see this architectural plan, this column here is being supported by this beam, okay? The beam not going starting at this first beam. So that's how we do it. The architectural plan. So you can see the architecture again, there are no columns. Okay? The columns are starting at first beam. So I will do transfer repeat in the Y direction. The Y direction. So my story height is 2.85. Then I will do stop. Then I will move back to this view. Now I select these ones. Just to transfer repeat but not link. The Y direction. Transfer repeat by 2.85. No link instead. So if we go to this view, so we can start doing our beams, right? So I have beams here. So with this I can just do transfer repeat. Was it all of this time? Transfer repeat to 3.153. So I can just select this node. And select it. So repeat 2.3. So I can draw this. So actually there's a problem there, of course. Let me select beams parallel to Z. So this one is a bit off. Let me see the 52. The node to node distance. If we go point to this point, 3.15. What about this point? 3.15. So where is it go wrong? 15. 3.15. 3.35. So just do this. No, maybe the problem. Consider the problem is these nodes here are not the correct position. This one I think was 3.35. Okay, 3.35. It was 3.35. So we move all the nodes by 0.35. So 3 minus 3.35 0.35. Okay. So I come to this. So this from here. Now this nodes, all of these nodes. So by 0.35. So I'll go to this way. I'll select node cursor. All these will move. Let me move node in X by 0.35 between connections. Yes. So also move all of these by 0.35. Move 0.35 between connections. Okay. Yes. So I think go back to this view. Let's select our so and now okay. So this is the position. So first I'll save my model. So I'll check the position of my view. So here at this point I have beams up to the end. So draw this beam. Here I have beams. Going up there, up to there. Beam maybe wall here. So row that. No, doesn't. So can I just do it and so repeat. So maybe I select node cursor. So this one here was 4.3. So just repeat in Z direction. Z direction. That is 4.3. Then 2 steps. So let me see. Okay. So, 700 beam. So just let me press on. Result pitch that's negative 3.35. Rise 3.15 actually. Then next steps. 3.15 steps. That's okay. Just done with them. Point 2.3. Then next steps. Actual negative. Now it's negative x. 3.35. Okay, so I won't do this. Yeah, you can go. Remember, there's a part of parking. So find this grid. Find this grid. You can use this word. The center is this point. So let's do that. Then let me know distance. I mean, get the dimension to find that distance. That is 2.5 feet, right? So 2.5 feet. So I just copy this beam. Let's select we can select it and x by 2.5 feet. And this beam is not there. There is this beam here, which is 1.8 plus 1.2, which is 3 meters. But I just measure from here, 3 meters. So just copy this, and this 3 meters. Okay. So control. Use 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Actually, up to there. 1, 2, 3, 4, then okay. So we do transfer feet by 3, right? So by 3. Z miller. Building steps. No. Okay. So we're going to draw those in my primary views. So there's another beam. Our beam here by 1.2. So we're going to select apart from this side. So all of this by 1.2. So transfer repeat. So there's this being here. All these columns are connected with the beam in this z direction. So this is we will bring are running up to this point. So we're running up to this point apart from here. So so the place that I cut out will be indicate by just doing X like this, but just to remind us this place is cut out. We're not going to assign any properties or function. This one is cut out because where my staircase are. Then this one is also cut out. Cut out. Now okay, so after that we'll continue to generate. Maybe I should just merge this thing and select 2%. This thing could be merged. So go to geometry, merge, tools. Now I can merge, then merge, this. We can merge. We want to be this thing. Merge. Right. See this place down. Okay. And then there's some portion cut out here. I think at this point, this one is cut out. Space is cut out. So this beam is extended to this point here. It will be here, other way around. From here to here, here to here. Here. You can just make and it is going to work this time. 1 meter. Also repeat Z by 1 and leave step. This place is cut off. Okay. So maybe I can select the screen person Okay, we just mark these two. Okay. Mark these two. Now we have another beam at this point here by how many meters? So just measure from this point here by 4 meters, by 4 meters, right? So we select this beam, this, and this, then measure a bit Z by 4 meters. Actually, now in the negative direction, that is 4 meters. So like that. Then the other one is we have a beam here. From this point, by 3.55 meters, right? So tungsten feet is this is the 4 meters. Yes, select and select this. Then maybe match by 3.55 is the direction of 2.5. So I will add my plates. So we can go to view review. Only two places are left out, being this point and here. So just here. This portion. Okay. So after that, we're going to assign our properties. So group properties. Define circular going forward. And you can see that from the architecture. So I have circular which are 0.4 and the rest these are rectangular 250 by 4 and 4 feet by 4 feet. So 0.25 by 0.45. Then my beams are 450 by 300. Zero point 0.45. These are my beams. My plate is has a thickness of 0.15. And for my plate, I can just assign to views. So assign to multiply the views. And my beams, I can just make it edit. Make sure beams, this one is diameter, this one is width. So go to geometry. Maybe I can change this one. Yeah, go to geometry. Select file to Z, array to Z, then assign. Then I'll go this view. I select all my columns. We selected object only. Go to that view. If I would actually select this rectangular, this circular. First I need to select this and click that view. Remember, this is a G+4, that's why the columns are so big, and even the beam sign. So you can just check with the review to confirm. If you go to the review, you will see it's oriented correctly. So you can now select by missing properties. Maybe this circular, select missing properties and assign. Yes. And I will add for maybe for this beam here. This one is circular is 0.2, so I use 0.2. Fine. It's 2. Then add this conflict. So this one I will assign later. So I'll go to view, entire structure. Okay. So I'll go to the review. So I can just assign my properties first of all. So make sure that the beams are also corrected in the correct way. So they don't look based incorrectly. So let me check. Edit. So this ZD, this is the ZD, this one is 0.3, this one is 0.45 change. So this one is the depth, YD is the depth, ZD is the width. So it's a bit confusing. Maybe we check. Now they look correct. So check my column here. It looks correct. So we edit. So you want to be sure you go to preview and do. So then we have to add moment release, because it is very important to release secondary beam, because the primary beams are not restrained in longitudinal direction, so they rotate in longitudinal direction, so they cannot restrain the secondary beam. So we have to release that moment because of torsion. So, but for primary beams which are direct columns are restrained, those columns are restrained in the longitudinal direction. So we will have to select to add specifications. We have to release secondary beam. So I will use in MZ at the start, and then specification again add and release MZ. And select all as currently. So go to select beam person. we select objects. So select on explain. That is circular view. So these those being expressions of sign yes and sign yes. Then maybe match this is a sign. This one is below. So I'll mark the two. So select design. And some beams we are going to release only at one point. So it's only connected by column at one point. So I'm going to release this one. Maybe perhaps at the end. So we are going to release at the end. So remember, this one here is not unlike this. I like this one here. Like unlike this beam here, this one is not. This one is a primary beam because although this node has intersected our break the beam here. This beam from this point is one beam. Okay, so we're not going to release any because this one is primary beam because it's connecting by column by both ends. So where it is broken here into two beams, but it's one beam. This is one beam. This one is okay. So it's just because there's a node there. So we're going to release at the end side. Yes. So this one here secondary. Then I'm going to release at the end. So this one here, this one is no secondary beam because although this node has broken the beam into two beams here, this beam and this is one beam, which is primary beam because it has column and two ends. Okay, so have to be careful. This one is also primary beam, so have to be very careful. So the other thing, okay, we are also going to release this, maybe that, hopefully at maybe we select this and start sign yes. We are going to do this abstract. Now this one is primer. This one is primer. So this one actually there is no release. So this will be delete. Change. You have to be careful. So we are also going to release. Probably at the start, sign yes. This one at the end. Sign. There's no column at this point. It's being supported by okay. So the other thing, I'll go to loadings and can add with load add. I'm not going to use it. Add. Going to generate building structure, okay, and then add exposure of one, add close, then we're going to be a assign to two. And I'm going to add load cases, add load, load. Because this building was not designed for us big, so because the place being was size not come up. So likely load W X W L Z. I'm going to add that load. Add self-weight, add assign to view, assign yes. And I'm going to add for my walls, I'm going to add a deadly of negative 10 Newton per meter cube in the Z direction. So it will uniform for member, that is for my wall. Then for my balcony, I'm going to add member negative 4 Newton per meter. And for my staircase, I'm also going to add member 22. So for members holding staircase, I'm going to add. So is there anything missing? I don't think so. So we're going to assign all the places where we have our balcony. This load. So I'm going to assign this and that. This is the place we have now. But having the balconies. So this actually the inner part does not have apart from these edges. Then here, then here, and here, then here. Then I'm going to assign. Yes. Now then assign to view. Go back. Assign to the selected view. Then yes. So remember for my go back. I will add node because I need a landing inside node. I need a landing beam here for this staircase. So I will insert node. So maybe escape insert node. I will insert midpoint. Add midpoint. Okay. Also for this insert midpoint. Okay. Then I will add that beam. Then that beam I will go to view, maybe select. Maybe I just select that beam cursor. Go to properties. Select my property for. Okay, so I will select that one, then assign. So then this beam I will assign a load type. So I will go to loading. Then load I will add load member load. So wall is behalf of the wall. So type client to commit and direction. Then add. Then here I will assign to selected beam. And I'll go to geometry again, then see the position of my walls. I have a balcony on the other side also. So you see this balcony. So it is in a distance also. We should do the brick for that. So we already have split let's split it. Then do that. Then the distance is at value dimension to here. 1.194, right? So I will select move cursor. Select I should hold my control to control. Then just repeat to Z direction. Okay, 1.1, 1.194. Now negative. Link step. Okay. And I'm going to draw the okay, then I'm going to assign those properties. So maybe this thing I should release at this point. So the moment to release, right? So, let me see. Come to select the cursor. Properties. Select now. Assignments. Then moment to release. Specification. Also here I need to release. Be at the end. So I will save this model, save this. I will delete these. I will select by missing properties. These that were shown in the cutout part portions, I will delete them. Get them by that and save the model as well. So that we can select this outer node. So maybe this should also happen from here. Yeah. This a moment. Assign this no column. So we can also give at the end. Then should this at the end. Then should release at the start. Now then should release at the end. And this one I should release at the end and the start, right? So I change this to start. Be close. Be assigned. Okay. So after that, I can select everything. Select green cursor. I will do transition with it. Why assign my loads for walls? Because I don't want to do that at each floor. And also for live load, I don't want to do that at each floor. So for the wall, for the external wall, we just go to geometry. Then select this balcony. I will select the wall pitch. Maybe select parallel to X, parallel to Z. Select all. All the points where I don't have walls, I will just select. It's okay, I don't have a wall. And this maybe when I don't have I will select this to this point here. And this point, then be here and here. Here there are corridors. just assign. For my staircases, I will just assign that. So I'll just select this and assign for staircase. So property, I'm going to select. Then this staircase also. So to my plates, I can add a dead load of maybe one for finishes. Because a circuit will be done automatically. So this plate, and that is one. Logo add, and then select all the plates. So go to the structure. So select all the plates. Also in this balcony there's a plate, so you go to geometry. So we got properties, specification, plates, assign to view again, assign this. Then we go to regular this, assign to select plates, assign, yes. Then I will go to live load, for plate. So installation building, so negative 1.5 at just assign to view, just assign to plates. Okay, so self-weight again, assign to view. So we can just select transition repeat. The right direction. .85 3 times. Then the last part we add our tools for roofing, so don't leave step to so you can just do okay. So we have not modeled. So I can just select this node, select node cast. I do transition repeat is with the y direction 2.85 again times 3, then link steps, and I'll do the same on the other side. So let's take this direction. But I just select this. So repeat y 2.85, then instead. Then I'll go to properties. I'll select this one and then I'll select by using properties. So I'll assign. So I'll go to okay, that's how it looks like. So I'll go to this view. I select my last flow. I'll select all the columns. So I will select that one. Then let me view. I do consider repeat y direction 2.85 one time. Okay. Then I will go to this view. View selected objects. Have that view. Then I will select for my balconies. Actually, I will delete on my balconies and the staircase. Yes, and then I will say. So then I can just add my root view. So actually, I think um, okay. So I will select in person. Just delete this. Let's put in there. Just straight up line. So I just add define rectangle point 3 by point 2 and add then select by using property and assign elements. And I go to view all structure and I'm going to preview. That's how the structure will look like. So you can go to select plate cursor, select all plates. Then maybe let me first save. Then I come with geometry. I generate mesh, plate mesh. Then because if you don't generate mesh, it's not going to be fine. So you go to lateral also. Okay. There are duplicate plates. I will delete them. So I'll come to utilities, duplicate nodes, no duplicate nodes, multiple structure. So maybe beam, duplicate beam, or duplicate beam, plate, duplicate plates. I think there are several. Okay, and then so nodes, outcome nodes. So I will select the entire structure, then come to geometry because there are multiple structure and then intersect beams. Okay, and then check again structure, multiple structures. So I go to node, remove open nodes, and structure. Okay, close. So I will select again lead cursor, select, do transition repeat. In the y direction, by 2.85, then 3 times. That is the story height. So we're going to wait for this finish. We can see a bit of clicks. There are so many clicks. So application. So let's wait for this to finish. We almost through with the modeling so that we can start to design. But actually, we've not added the envelope. So let's give it some time to also to consolidate the clips. Don't worry about it. So it's almost through. It's taking too much time, but things somehow hanging. So I'm gonna have to give it some time to finish. So let us just go this not responding. Let us just open. I'm sure we save the project. So we can just model, then repeat and then generate mesh data. So you can do that or that. Rather is not too long. Okay. Okay. So maybe I can go view this view. We select this floor. Select this floor. And then I can view selected object and then up view. Then model my plates. Let's just model them. Then do traceability and it is taking forever to transfer repeat the plates. That's good. So maybe I can go to review to see where my plates are missing. So, okay. Okay. So I don't have plates here. So like plate cursor. No plates there and then but I have plates. So I have plates. I have plates. You just select all my plates. So you just select plate cursor. So our plate will come to so these are the places that are cut out. Okay. So I can now do transfer a bit by 2.85 2 times and okay. And I can view the structure and maybe then I can go to this view. Can go ahead and select plate cursor. I'll generate mesh. Okay. Drag here. Okay. This one is better. I think this one is better than the other way of transferring the picture. It's just taking too long. see the challenges that you will face, that I'm facing now, but I'm not giving up. I have to finish. So, kind of like maybe the questions that I cut out first, get them. Not giving up. Maybe I should stay fast. Maybe I should generate much about the life right here. I will not give up because I'm not give up because I'm not that type of guy. I don't give up. So yes, it's I know we're almost there. So maybe it's like my casa. Maybe anyone place, but select, go to utilities, plates, duplicate plates, merge, first select merge, then use. I will select all my plates and just select no class and then structure and then transfer repeat. Two point 85 times then save and recognize okay. Oh, not responding. Maybe we will design a slab in RCDC. There's no need to, but our slab needs to be analyzed. So we can generate one. We need to analyze the slab. Okay? We need to include the slab in our analysis because we don't need to not be analyzed. Right? So I will go to review. So it's like go back, take plate person up save. Maybe I don't want to repeat that, so go to geometry, select mesh, I think we are getting the wrong thing. Are we confused? Let me see, because those plates are too much. We are generating mesh twice. That's not good. So select plate person. So which plates for that floor are not used. So I will go to view, select this plates, and generate mesh. create mesh for the last two load. Well, I will save this. I want to repeat that. Right, so mesh. Mesh. Okay, the first thing is to save. At least we are almost. So let's check the 3D views. So control to the solid view. Go select just click inside. That is our solid view. Maybe and see the there it looks like, and then we can go to our loads, back to our loads, and there was windows is not on. So assign this to you. Okay. And this one. So we can just select one of the, let's say, beam here, just loading. So it is loaded here. We also edit that. So we can maybe assign this to view. So straight load should typically be assigned to. Then right load also assigned to view. Then in add include add in x. So from 10 to our story height is 2.85 times 4 to 14.25. Then on in the negative direction, the opposite direction up and close and Z up load from 10 to 14.25. That is in Z direction up, the opposite direction up. And if we check, so we can go to our loading. Let's see how that wheel is acting. So I can select missing properties. There are some things I added. So let me cancel that. Okay. So checking those missing properties. Some names there. I'll show you the place of our card types. Let me first end process because I don't know what has happened there, but I'm not ready to give up. I'm almost there, so I'm not willing to give up, and I'm not willing to give up. Who selected views? Who selected views? Actually, our plates were missing properties. So we did not assign the plate statements. So properties. I'm going to just assign to view. Also it was high, so I'm going to select missing properties. You can delete loading. From 10 minimum 10 meters to 14.25, that is the story height. The opposite direction. So 10 to 25. remember the minimum distance, and the opposite direction, negative, and then save. So you can see how the way the ring is working. In other side, also this other side. Okay. So I will go to analysis, add command, add close. I'll go back to loading, automatic load combination, automatic load combination. Use ES, generate, add close. Analysis of audio. So we run analysis, check for zero errors. So actually you have not added support, so there will be an error. There will be an error because you have not added support. So this analysis will not complete. You have not added our support. So go to this view. So we go to support, we must add the support. So you have to remove this because this one is out. Code, so create fixed and select all those nodes. Sign yes, then save, and run analysis, run, check for zero errors. So let me check the warnings, the output. There are so too many warnings. So let me check. Okay, I think there are open nodes. So open nodes. So structures, they are open nodes. So we should delete, remove open nodes. Yes. So those open nodes are the ones who copy the structure. So go to properties. So go to analysis, concrete, select parameters, so review, yes, right, so yes, select parameters, select clear, and okay, then fine. Now clear for beam is 0.025 plus 25 millimeters at 0.035 columns, 0.02 for slab. FC I will use plus, I'll use concrete plus 25 and I'll use for 60 and then I will assign these parameters. Let beams parallel to X, beams parallel to X. These are my beams. I'll select my length of shape. So select beams parallel to Y and assign. Just look at the units. Click. When I select all clips, assign. Distance, this one is assigned to P. Yes. That is for concrete. That's I'm using plus 25 because this building is big, so G+4 building. Then I will go to commands. Beam design add, column design add, take off add, equals beam design, select beams prior to X and Z, assign X, columns assign parallel to Y. So it's selected, assign this, and then you can see the 3D rendering. You can see very good, right? You can see the cutout areas. So also the other thing, we should maybe offset these all beams parallel to X and Y direction. We should offset them by maybe they were how many? This design could have an error. They were 450. 450 by 2 would be 225. So you can see this how it's going to look like when it's being constructed. So this may have serious consequences during design. So we need to offset this by maybe negative 2225, right? So I will come specification, beam, offset, Y, start, the global negative 2.25, add, edit, and close, then just click there and then offset. Now M, global negative 2.25, and add. And let's first see the 3D rendering. So as you can see, as for this one, there are, even the beams are protruding through the slabs, even in groups, even in corridor, which is not the way it will be during construction. So that will not be the case. So let us offset and now see the model. So the first thing, you can see from the view we have not generated fast flow, so it's generated fast flow. So I will go then pass through it, and I go to that view, go to this view, and I will select plate cursor, and I will close this. And view of that view. And now let me generate mesh first for that block. Plate mesh. Okay. For lighting, okay. Because we don't generate mesh, so we're not going to be analyzed. We want all the plates to be included in analysis. Then we can offset all our beams by half of their depth, that is 50 divided by 2, which is 225, so 0.225, right? So we offset of that. That's how it's going to be doing design, right? So during construction, what will mimic the real life model. Actually, if you go to RCDC, it shows some of the modeling, most of the modeling errors. We are designing using RCDC, but not all of them. So you have to be careful when you're modeling your structure. So when you go to we are going to advanced concrete design, that is RCDC. So most of them, but some will not be solved, so will not actually be corrected. So the design will have serious consequences. Maybe most things will pass, but it will fail as it will pass because there is error in the serious error in the model. So actually, after the model and Staadpro, the rest is just very. The only issue we have is the model as a structure properly, right? So model properly, do analysis, and find your errors, and go to your advanced concrete, which we are going to do as part 2 of this video, because it's now, the contribution is now going 3 hours. Yeah, it's 3 hours. So I will divide it into 2. Actually, I want to very good with so many parts, but I need to prepare something. So we do just entire modeling and design this video. Okay, we will do with RCDC. We design the column, we design the beams, then we design the slab and the foundation of the footing, right? Actually, let me show you what was submitted for this one. Let me give you the page. Let me show you. Maybe I should go to file and go to D. Why is it going to local this? Going to local this E. Going to architecture. I will show you what was submitted. So I'm looking for PDFs, right? Um, it's funny, I can't see PDF actually. So, something like that. Right? It's available not. Let me show you, the how to submit it. File report views. Uh, we are waiting for you. I will still show you. Maybe I will show you in part two when design. So I'm hoping this page using the mesh is taking too long. Actually, that's what I made the video for. And actually, I've recorded the video and voice. I recorded initially, I did not have a sound, so actually, you can see I don't give up, so I did it. So my first video did not have any voice. So unfortunate, all that stuff. I will not control this. It's almost done. So that I've taken too long, actually. Just time process. So I want to show you something. Maybe I make it so. What I actually submitted. So you are importing in Achicad, not Staad. Also, yes. So that is condition layout. Then the beam layout. Uh, view. So in the meantime, let's go to this one. Because this one today has misbehaved. Uh, mm, so go to view of the object. Maybe I can generate image one by one. So actually it's behaving. This is what is available. So what actually is that when you just select this, we play currently. Okay. Let's this cellular. So I move this. And delete. Then see what was submitted. So you can see how this foundation layer, you can see how it looks like. So I showed you how to do it like this in Achicad. Why you should use Achicad, I always insist. So that is now up to you. So I'm almost done. I'll post this and then we will just run the analysis, check with the field members, then post from there, and then we will continue to design in RCDC the next episode, right? I'll move this up to there. This is the beam layout and typical slab. And that actually this is up cut out. Okay. So it's not responding. Oh my God. Maybe I have to run analysis like that because I don't want to. This is just misbehaving. I don't know what to do. Okay. So let's just run our analysis, check for failed members, and then we'll continue in the next episode. Okay. It's just misbehaving, just don't do that one by one. Yes, I will do that, but we will do in the next episode, right? The video is more than 3 hours, it's too long. And some of my viewers are saying that I should try to make my videos short. So I'm trying my best. There's some, after I've done this recording quite good, recorded fast and then did not have any sound, so I did not give up, I repeated. So please bear with me. So I will run analysis again. Now this time we perform design because we are very good at the commands for design of concrete. When we check for if there any failed member, then we pause there and then we continue the next episode. Where we can now even go ahead and do detailing, right? We can go ahead and do detailing in Achicad. So it's up to you. I have already given you the secret. So don't use Autocad with Achicad. And whoever is approving with me, come. You should even go to wherever. You say my reason why I'm against Autocad and I'm for Achicad as a structural engineer. So I just like say what is good. Three warnings. No, you all to find that. Let me see the warning, but there's zero error. I don't think it's warning. Okay, applied self weight is less. One or more lines is too long, and it will be split into two lines. Let me check. This building is big. You can see provide sharing at nominal link. Okay. Nominal link should be provided. So you can actually print this. You can just print. You can see here. And print. You can save. You can see this. You can print, save it, and you can submit it with other documents. Because that is the analysis output. So that is not responding. Wow, this is not my day. Yeah. So it's not responding. Okay, and that loading was self-weight and so we go back to loading. First, maybe I will select select my theme. Intersect. Loading self-weight. Assign to site. Yes. So you should check for zero errors, zero warnings. And this video is actually good because this structure is very big and then it's behaving. So I'll get to the analysis. Actually, just which program which I have closed. The first safely. I've closed one site. So maybe select on accepting the accepting some warning in the not okay accepting. So yeah, I think that would be everyone. So as we do our analysis, make sure no warning and no errors.